The main difference between QQQ and XLK lies in their dividend yield, with XLK having a 0.13% higher annual dividend yield than QQQ. Specifically, XLK's dividend yield for the trailing 12 months is approximately 0.71%, outperforming QQQ's yield of 0.58%. However, these rates are subject to fluctuations due to market forces. Another key difference is the expense ratio, with XLK having a relatively lower expense ratio of 0.13% compared to QQQ's 0.20%. This 0.07% difference can result in significant disparities in the costs charged to investors, especially for large stock shares, making XLK more cost-friendly. In terms of investment risk, XLK is considered to have fewer risks than QQQ, as evidenced by its higher Sharpe ratio for the trailing 12 months. Despite these differences, QQQ and XLK share some similarities. Both are dividend exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that offer investors profits garnered by their shares at the end of a designated period. Additionally, both ETFs are passively managed to track the performance of their respective indexes. Throughout their existence, both ETFs have experienced nearly identical drawdowns, with a slight deviation of less than 1%. Ultimately, the choice between QQQ and XLK depends on individual preferences and priorities. Based on experience, XLK is preferred over QQQ due to its higher dividend yield rates, lower expense ratios, and lower investment risks. It is essential to note that the information compared is accurate as of the current time and is subject to change in the future.